Hello everyone, my name's Mike and I'm here to talk to you about NP-F batteries that I got on Amazon. Let's jump into it. So what are NP-F batteries? NP-F batteries are a really common battery type developed by Sony to begin with, and they're used for a number of accessories. The main accessories that I use them for, lights and for a monitor as well. So what do they look like? They look like this, and this one here is an NP-F970, but this one's a little bit special, which is why I wanted to make a video about it, because I was really impressed with this. So I got two, and I also got this lovely charger with it as well. And I'll talk a little bit about this charger in a moment. But with the Sony NP-F970 specifically, is typically they are about 7,800 milliamps, but this one's a high capacity one which has 8,800 milliamps. So it is a long lasting battery, which I'm really impressed by, and I've been using it for the past week and it has not let me down. Now, like I said, I use these for my lighting setup as well as my monitor, like these ones over here. So again, this is the Viltrox light. If you want to watch the review, I'll leave it in the cards up above. But again, it just slots in really easily. So you just slide it in and that's locked into place. As you can see, it protrudes quite a bit because this is the bigger brother of the NP-F line. But as you can see, I can use the light as I wish, and we've got power for my accessories. Moving on to the charger, the reason why I love this charger is not only is it a dual charger, so it can charge both batteries at the same time, it's also got a couple of connections, so we can use a micro USB cable. So one thing is I wish it had a USB-C, as all my devices are USB-C, but that doesn't really matter too much because we have got an inbuilt cable. So all that I need to do is just grab my cable, plug it into a USB plug, and I'm ready to go. So this is great if you're traveling with these batteries. And these won't just charge NP-F970 batteries, they'll charge all the lineups as well. So really good to have in my bag. It's just a one-stop shop solution to charging my batteries. Now, if you are interested in getting these batteries, please use the links in the description. They'll be down below. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. But until then, I will see you in the next video. See you later, everyone.